So, g'day people, how you going today? My name is Glenn. Do you like my background? Has some fossils up there, beautiful, and it's true blue. So that is what we're going to learn today, true blue. So, here's my bloody hat, and this is true blue. And I know a certain guy named Sir Roger might watch this, and he's a true blue wanker. So that means that he's a really fair dinkum wanker. So true blue means someone who's really Australian. And some people might say, I'm Australian. Others say, Glenn, you're not Australian, you're half Chinese. Well, my wife is Chinese. I like Chinese history. I like to collect Chinese coins. And I like things Chinese. Not everything. I don't like eating cat and dog. But most Chinese people don't eat cat and dog either. But Chinese history is very interesting. Australian history is actually quite boring, except for Indigenous. I like how their languages moved around. They say that their culture is the oldest in the planet, but generally all cultures are built from each other. Well, not built. Yeah, they build on from each other, so they actually are all just as old as each other. Some have changed a lot more than others. And the language situation is, we have some language isolates, which is true blue. Aboriginals are true blue. And then we have the Pama-Nyungu languages, which I think might have actually originated in Queensland and moved down to Australia. The Aboriginals have been moving all over Australia, and the languages have changed all the time. But I'm getting distracted. So true blue means this really Australian. And it's because most of our flag is blue. As you can see here, we have the Union Jack, the United Kingdom. This star here, 6 stars represents Australia, states. 1 star represents all the territories. This is the Southern Cross. It's also used on the Samoan, Papua New Guinean, Brazilian, New Zealand. Did I say Samoan? And a few other countries as well. So it's not just uniquely Australian. And here we have Australia. We generally don't say Australia here, we say Australia. So get rid of the AU to say Stray. And then we have Y, Australia. So, true blue. It means someone who's really Australian and acts like a bloody old boy, mate. Fuck you, mate. We're gonna talk like these guys say, right? Get a fuck up. Yeah. I'm sorry to you foreign people who could not understand that. Like my wife. She can't understand whatever my brothers say. Thank you very much for watching. This video, thumbs up, subscribe, and it's a beautiful hot day. Thank you very much for watching. Hooroo. Oh, sorry, gotta do a pose for the video. Gee, I look so old.